Meaning of hindquarters.
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 Hindquarters. Hindquarters refers to the back part of an animal's body, specifically from the hips to the tail. The term is commonly used in reference to four-legged animals such as horses, dogs, and cows. In terms of anatomy, the hindquarters include major muscle groups such as the glutes, hamstrings, and calves. These muscles are responsible for powering movement and providing stability in running, jumping, and other physical activities. Understanding the anatomy and function of an animal's hindquarters is important in fields such as animal care, veterinary medicine, and sports training.